Essential Safari Tips and Tricks for Mac Users. Useful hints to get extra out of your looking expertise. Safari is the default web browser for Mac OS and iOS units. It is a full-featured, safe browser that has exploded in reputation with each desktop and cellular customers. Should you're simply getting began with Safari, listed below are 8 suggestions that can enhance your online expertise and aid you get probably the most out of your internet browser. Use Safari's sensible search subject. Safari's smart search field is an handle subject and a search subject, with options that make it straightforward to customize your internet looking. Within the sensible search subject, enter the URL of an online web page you need to go to, or enter a key phrase or phrase to launch a search. Should you're getting into a search, Safari will provide up strategies you could choose by scrolling down and urgent return. Choose the magnifying glass within the sensible search subject to launch a search utilizing a search engine that is not your default, or to pick from a listing of earlier searches. For comfort and readability, Safari Sensible Search Subject reveals a shortened model of a website's URL. Should you want to see the complete URL, go to Safari Preferences Superior and place a test within the field subsequent to present full website handle. Enter your favorite websites. Safari makes it straightforward to get to your favorite and most used websites shortly and simply. Once you open a brand new tab in Safari, you may see websites you have designated as favorites underneath the Favorites heading. Beneath that, you may see icons for websites you go to, usually underneath Often Visited. So as to add a website as a favorite, navigate to the website. Transfer your cursor over the sensible search subject. A plus signal will seem on the left. Choose and maintain the plus signal, plus. Choose Favorites from the drop-down menu. The Locations icon is added to your favorites, and you may see it on a brand new tab underneath the Favorites heading. Alternatively, choose the website identify from the sensible search bar and drag it right down to your favorites part. One other fast approach so as to add to favorites, choose View Present Favorites bar to make the favorites bar seen, after which drag the URL of your present internet web page to the bar. Present the net web page's title. Safari has a clear, streamlined look, and by default would not present the title of the online web page you are visiting. If you wish to see the title of the online web page, open the online web page in Safari. Choose View Present tab bar. You will see the website's title beneath the sensible search bar. Keep away from duplicate tabs to scale back display model. Many customers find yourself opening loads of tabs once they're writing, researching, procuring, or looking on the net. Safari has a useful characteristic to maintain you from opening the identical tab a number of instances in a looking session. Here is methods to direct Safari to ship you to the prevailing open tab as an alternative of opening a brand new tab. In Safari, open no less than 2 website tabs. Open a brand new tab. Begin typing the identify of one of many websites you have already got open. If there's already a tab open for that website, you may see it underneath Swap to Tab. Choose that URL to go to the unique tab. To open a tab you lately closed, go to Historical Past Lately Closed, and choose the URL you need to revisit. Watch movies in a floating window. If you would like to look at a video when you're working, looking, or doing one thing else online, Safari's image-in-image characteristic makes it doable. In Safari, navigate to a video you need to watch. Within the sensible search bar, choose and maintain the blue audio button, then choose Enter Image-in-Image. The video will seem as a floating window. Return to any website tab and luxuriate in your video within the high proper nook of your display screen. Use Safari Reader View for distraction-free studying. Safari has a fast and useful characteristic known as Reader View that permits you to strip away adverts and formatting, leaving solely a clear textual content interface to learn. To get to Reader View, go to an article on the net you'd prefer to learn. If the location helps reader view, you may see an icon within the sensible search bar that appears like 4 stacked traces. Press this icon to toggle to reader view. You will see a clear textual content interface. Choose the reader view icon once more to return to the common view. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.